Hello all. So previous video we have seen how the commerce degree students can enter into Oracle Financials. Okay. So Oracle Financials we have cloud, R12 version, we have R11 and everything. So we have seen a rough idea. Now how the BE mechanical students having a how they can come into software. So in Oracle we have a module called supply chain management. Okay, very short we call SCM. So what is SCM? What they study there? Why it is connected? Okay, okay. So they learn about purchasing. They learn about purchase order, the receipt and delivery of goods, receipt, deliver of goods, storage bin, that etc. They have a module called order management. So this is about purchase order. This is about sales order. Okay. Main is inventory. So whatever they study or their work core. So this is what we are going to see in this Oracle software. Inventory, units, that everything. So inventory is connected to the purchase order and sales order. Okay. Okay. Then they have WIP, work in progress. They call WIP, BOM, bill of material. So whatever they work really, here they will study in the Oracle. Okay, this is called Oracle Supply Chain Management, very demandable. Okay, this is also almost a front end functional. It doesn't involve any coding, doesn't need a coding. Okay, it's like a front end software. So these are the main five module they'll learn. Okay, and if you see, it's connected to their education. So they were called, they will do supply chain. And there is one more course in Oracle called OPM, Oracle Process Management. Very big companies, they'll use process unit and everything. So these are all we have gotten to, we are having in our TrainT Technologies. You would have monitored a YouTube channel. So we are into training for more than 15 years and we are placing. Also, we are referring and we are having all the Oracle courses and we will give a glimpse of how the real implementation will be, how the real support will be, how the resourcing can be outsourced, the real customers first. And we also do corporate training for Oracle all domains. So you can contact us through this. Mostly it is online based because all the real consultants online. This is our contact number. Okay, anytime, any country we are working it. So mostly don't think software only involves coding. Okay, so we assured training program which is really in the market. See here, Oracle SCM jobs anywhere. See, very highly paid and very needed in the market right now, very long. Okay, if you see here, you can check in Google and whatever you need, it is clearly telling our there you can do it. Okay, right. Okay, see, 8 to 9 lakhs for a very level. So it is the right time to move to supply chain management in the technology side. So here all we are mentoring it. Thank you very much.